What if a single property could generate income every month, increase in value, and make you richer while you sleep? House with garden money bag. That's exactly how many millionaires build wealth with real estate. Show house turning into cash flow streams plus rising chart. Real estate is one of the most powerful ways to build long-term wealth. But most people don't understand how it actually works. In this video, learn how to build wealth with real estate step by step, even as a beginner. From buying your first property to creating passive income and scaling your portfolio, everything is broken down simply. Watch till the end to discover how one property can turn into a wealth-building system. Show text, Real Estate Wealth Blueprint. Section 1, Why Real Estate Builds Wealth. Real estate creates wealth in multiple ways at the same time. Show for icons appearing. Monthly rental income. Property appreciation. Loan paydown. Tax advantages. This means money is coming in while the asset is growing. Show money flowing plus house value rising. Section 2, Start with the right property. The first deal matters the most. Show good versus bad property comparison. Look for high rental demand areas. Affordable purchase price. Growing locations. Example. A $200,000 property renting for $1,800 per month can produce strong cash flow. Show simple numbers animation. Smart buying equals strong foundation. Section 3, Use leverage to grow faster. Real estate allows control of big assets with small money. Show small down payment unlocking big house. With 10 to 20% down, a property can be owned. If value increases, profit is based on full price. Example. Buy at $200,000. Value grows to $250,000. Gain equals $50,000. Show value bar increasing. This accelerates wealth growth. Section 4, Create monthly cash flow. Cash flow is consistent income from rent. Show rent flowing into account. Example. Rent, $1,800. Expenses, $1,200. Profit, $600 per month. That's passive income. Multiply this across properties, and income grows. Show multiple streams stacking. Section 5, Property appreciation. Real estate tends to increase in value over time. Show house price graph rising. Even 4 to 5% yearly growth builds serious wealth. Example. $200,000 property $320,000 plus in 10 years. Show long-term growth timeline. Time does most of the work. Section 6, Build equity automatically. Equity is the hidden wealth builder. Show ownership increasing, loan decreasing. Each payment reduces debt and increases ownership. Example. Property, $300,000. Loan left, $200,000. Equity, $100,000. That's wealth growing in the background. Section 7, Scale with multiple properties. One property is just the beginning. Show one house turning into 5 houses. Investors often scale like this. 1, 2, 4, 8 properties. Each adds income and value. Show income multiplying upward. Scaling builds serious wealth. Section 8, Use refinancing strategy. Refinancing unlocks equity. Show house opening with money coming out. As value increases, cash can be pulled out and reinvested. Cycle. Buy grow refinance buy again. Show loop animation. This is how portfolios grow fast. Section 9, Think long-term. Real estate rewards patience. Show timeline from year 1 to 10. The longer properties are held, value increases. Rent increases. Debt decreases. Time plus consistency equals wealth. Bonus tips. Tip 1, Start small. Don't wait for the perfect deal, start with one property. Tip 2, Focus on cash flow. Positive income keeps investments safe. Show green profit icon. Tip 3. Avoid too much debt. Leverage is powerful, but must be controlled. Show warning symbol. Tip 4. Research location. The right area can increase returns significantly. Show map with highlighted growth zones. Real estate is not just about buying houses. It's about building a system that creates income, grows in value, and works over time. Show house transforming into money machine. Because in the end, wealth is built by owning assets that keep paying again and again. And once this system starts working, something powerful happens. The focus shifts from earning money to owning assets that generate money. Show transition, active work, passive income streams. Let's break down a concept many people overlook. Control versus ownership. Show person controlling multiple houses with small investment. In real estate, full cash isn't always needed. A small down payment can control a large asset. That means bigger property, bigger growth, bigger returns. This is how wealth scales faster than traditional saving. Now consider cash flow stacking. Show multiple income streams combining into one account. One property equals one income stream. But multiple properties equals stacked income. Example. Property 1 $500 per month. Property 2 $600 per month. Property 3 $700 per month. Total equals $1,800 per month passive income. Show total income growing. Over time, this can replace a full-time salary. Another powerful idea is forced appreciation. Show before versus after renovation. Unlike other investments, real estate value can be increased manually. Simple upgrades like renovation, better design, higher rent strategy can boost property value quickly. That means instant equity growth. Then comes market timing versus time in market. Show clock versus rising chart. Trying to perfectly time the market is difficult. But staying invested over time is powerful. Because prices tend to rise long term. Rent increases with inflation. Loans get paid down. Time turns average deals into strong investments. There's also a hidden advantage. Inflation works in favor of real estate owners. Show inflation rising but rent rising faster. As prices increase, rent goes up. Property value rises. But fixed mortgage stays the same. This increases profit over time. And finally, the biggest shift. From income thinking to asset thinking. Show mindset shift visual. Instead of asking, how much can be earned? The question becomes, how many assets can be owned? Because assets create income repeatedly. So while most people trade time for money, real estate investors build systems that generate income automatically. Show automated money flow. And over time, that system becomes stronger, bigger, and more valuable. This is how small beginnings turn into long-term wealth. One property. One decision. One step at a time, and in the end, the difference is surprisingly simple. Wealth isn't built by chasing income. It's built by owning assets that keep producing income. Show transition, paycheck multiple income streams. Real estate is powerful because it works on multiple levels at once. It pays monthly. It grows over time. And it builds equity in the background. Most people wait for the perfect time. But in real estate, progress comes from taking the first step. Show small house appearing, then expanding into a portfolio. One property can turn into two. Two can turn into 5. And over time, that becomes a system that generates consistent income. The real advantage isn't speed. It's consistency. Buying smart. Holding long-term. Reinvesting profits. Show steady upward graph. These small actions, repeated over time, create massive results. So the real question is not, can real estate build wealth? The real question is, when will the first move be made? Show final text, start small. Stay consistent. Build wealth. Because the path to wealth doesn't require perfection. It requires action. And those who start, even small, are the ones who eventually build something big.